If you want to picture-in-picture YouTube videos while you're reading your email or doing whatever else, this is how you do it. This is a YouTube video right here. If I tap on this, it goes back to the YouTube page. Just prove it to you. Best goals of 2026. And whenever I close that down, we've got the video playing while we can do other stuff on our phone. This is how you set that up. Let's keep that video running while we do that. We go to settings and make sure on the main settings page, and then go to general, and then scroll down until you get to picture in picture. Tap on that and make sure this is turned on. This will work for FaceTime, for videos, for other apps like YouTube. I'm not sure what other apps in addition it'll do it for. Maybe TikTok, maybe Instagram, Facebook video. I'm not entirely sure what the whole list is, but definitely works for YouTube. Doing it right here. And then when I swipe out of here and then go to the YouTube app, let's stop this video now. We go and search for any video. This doesn't work very well for the website, I've found. So you got to search for a YouTube video. Jeez Louise, I can't get out of here. Okay, here we go. Search for whatever. Search for football. We still have a video playing down here. And we switch to a new video. I was looking for American football. Anyway, doesn't matter. Let's see if it works for shorts. No, it does not work for shorts. It has to be long form video. So let's go and play this one. It even shows the ads. We can see there's a picture in picture. We can resize it a little bit, I believe. With the two finger zoom. You can shrink it a little bit. You can make it a little bit bigger, but not that much. There's a skip ad button right there. Let's skip these ads. Come on now. It's super tiny. There we go. Ad is skipped. Video is playing. That's pretty small. Let's zoom in. Yeah, that's better. And if you find that this isn't working for your YouTube out of the box, this feature is being rolled out in May 2026. So as of this recording, it's just rolled out a few days ago. You can check in the YouTube app as well, though. There's a setting for it. So if we go to our YouTube account right here in the bottom right, let's close this picture in picture. Go to our settings, scroll down to playback. And here we have to have picture-in-picture turned on, otherwise it won't work. And if you want to free up more storage on your phone, this is the video for you. I show you 5 or 6 different hidden trash cans on your phone that you're going to want to empty to maximize your available space. So check out that video next. If you got value from watching this current video, like and subscribe to let me know, and I will see you on that one.